Hey, what's up everyone? Danny Lightning here. So, YouTube is now going to be demonetizing channels and or videos that curse a lot, especially at the beginning of your video. During the first like 8 to 20 seconds of your video, if you drop any major type of curse words, your video may be instantly demonetized and there's not really much you can do about it, guys. So, bottom line is don't curse on YouTube, especially during the beginning of your video. And I even hear they're going to start cracking down more on this later, to where anybody who's cursing at all may lose their channel or lose monetization on YouTube. So you might want to try to cut out the curse words on your channel. I never curse on mine, or at least it's very rare. So be careful with that, everybody. You do not want to lose your monetization over a couple curse words. I mean, there's really no reason to be sitting there going beep, 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 beep. I guess those beeps were not very good, but those are supposed to be like bleeping out curse words there. So guys, no cursing on YouTube if you want to keep making money. All right, there's the YouTube news for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lightning out. Have an awesome day. See ya.